Imagine a world where you've created a lovely website and nobody else in the world can see it. Let's fix that right now. If you are using a PC, then you'd want to open up an FTP client such as WinSCP, like that, and you will get to a login screen, and you want to go to FTP. The host name for NMU is myweb.nmu.edu. Leave the port number alone. User ID is just the first part of your email address. And the password is whatever password you use for logging into your email or other accounts at NMU. And now what I have is two screens. The right-hand side is the remote server. That's what's on the internet. And then on the left-hand side, I can see here, this is the C drive of my computer, and then I'm in the users folder, NMU documents. And then within documents, I have a folder called BC473M, and within that I have one called websites. And then I've created a site here called Chevy1, and I have an index page and I have images page. I have a few other pages that I've been working on, but and there's my Komodo project. Keeps track of what I'm putting in and taking out. So that's the site that I want to upload. So what I will do is double click on this go up one level thing, and on the server, if I have not made one yet, or if you don't have one, make a pub folder, just lowercase pub for public, and then double click on that, and then create a folder. You should be able to just right click and say new directory, and create a new directory if you haven't yet that says BC473M. That's where we can keep all the websites for your BC473M class. Double click on that, and just in case you have other information for BC473M, you could create an additional, I recommend it anyway, an additional directory called websites. Again, if you don't have that, you just right click, go to new directory, create one called websites. And in here are all the different websites that you can make for this course. And I have some from previous semesters. But what I want to do now is just take this Chevy Site 1 and drag it on over. And you see it is now uploaded. If I click there, I can see there's index 1. If I double click, there's images. Looking pretty good. And what I want to do now is take a look in a browser to make sure that it uploaded properly. And what I need to do is remember this path right here. Once I'm in the public folder, it's BC473M, websites, Chevy Site 1, and then I don't have to go in the images folder. I want to go to that index page right there. So let's try it. This is always the fun part. It's either going to be a moment of victory or a moment of defeat. So the URL, the URL, is myweb.nmu.edu / tilde. Tilde is like hold down shift and it's the key to the left of the number 1 key, just like that. And you can see I've been here before. Then next I want to do tilde and then my ID /. So within my folder, that's my pub folder right there. Then I have to trace whatever folders I have. So go into the BC473M folder, then in that side of that folder, go into the websites folder, and then what I just uploaded is Chevy Site 1 /. If I don't do anything else, it should look for the index page in there. And it found it. We are live, baby, worldwide.